Let's run away, running on an empty tank, but we're filling up anyway. You can drive the getaway, let's get away. Don't care where we go, we won't let anybody know. Now we're getting close, it got me falling like dominoes. I want to get in your head, baby, it's just us.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up. In today's video, we are going to do cleaning, cooking. We are going to organize this disaster of a linen closet. We are also going to do DIY dividers. Guys, I'm going to drop all the links below that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I got these awesome vacuum bags that you will see in today's video that will help me organize this tiny linen closet. Guys, I have no space. So if you're like me and you have this really linen closet and you're like, what do I do? Please go to the Dollar Tree and get these items because as you'll see in the video, it definitely saves you a lot of room. So we're just gonna dive right in, guys. I start taking everything out of this linen closet. I mean, it's disastrous. And I start folding my big major comforters. I decide that the biggest comforter I'm going to put in this jumbo bag that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna put it in the garage because there's just not enough room in this linen closet for that. Another thing that you'll see that I start to do is I found on Pinterest a really cool trick is to take all your sheet sets, fold them up, and stick them inside one of the sheet sets pillowcases. Oh my God, guys, this is like a game changer for me. So that's kind of like what I'm doing right here is I'm folding everything up and I'm gonna put it into a pillowcase. That way all the sets are in a pillowcase. That way when we have guests over, family over, whatever the case is, we have a clean set and it's already all put together. We're not, looking elsewhere.
Shades of green. Listen, I can be the narrator. With love, all the birds and all the bees. It's like the universe had it planned all along. It's so easy first to summer, then it's fall.
So here are those suction bags that I was telling you about, guys. And oh my God, what a space saver. Like, it's incredible how much air it's pulling out to tightly pack these sheets. I'm not going to be using them, guys. We're in quarantine. No one's staying over here. So it's nice to have them all condensed and in one bag, and it definitely saves a lot of room.
With your love.
Purchased these cute little cubbies from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to use one for my pup stuff and another for like the home stuff. I know I had some curtains that were in the linen closet, so I'm also going to organize those into there.
On a one-way flight to Brooklyn alone, and I'm having trouble trying to stay warm. In July, I feel grown, but I miss the feeling when we were young. I'm making all this money.
Hey guys, so the linen closet is finally done. We are now going to move on to making a really simple, easy couple, I think 4 or 5 ingredient soup. And it is so good. Let's go. Guys, this recipe is so simple, so easy, and so inexpensive. You're gonna start by peeling 4 to 5 carrots and dicing them up.
Hoping I come back to find out that you miss me too and you're not upset. Screaming out loud, I've been so lost without you. On a one-way flight, I'm looking for anything you said that leads me back to you. Baby, if you're gone, I won't live on. Let's stay on the telephone like we used to.
After I throw my carrots in there with a little bit of olive oil, I go ahead and chop up a whole onion. I will also saute this with the carrots.
I feel like I owe you something. We started out here with nothing. Don't make me spend it alone. I'm eating all these honeys, but they don't really love me. So I don't sleep with my phone. I don't wanna leave too soon, cause I'm lost without you. I don't wanna seem too rude.
The next thing I do is I take some fresh garlic, about 3 cloves, and I dice it up and throw it in the pot.
That you miss me too and you're not upset. Screaming out loud, I've been so lost without you.
Fresh dill definitely makes this dish. So you definitely want to chop up some dill and you want to throw it in the pot with your onion, garlic, and carrot. You want to saute for about 10 to 15 minutes. You just want to be able to poke a fork through the carrot. That's it. I also added about 3 cups of chicken broth, and then I'm going to blend it up. Now, my hand mixer broke, so I need to improvise and use my blender. And last but not least, 1 cup of almond/coconut milk. It makes it creamy and delicious. Mix it up, and when you're done, that's it. You're done. Your carrot soup is done, and look how delicious it looks. It's healthy, inexpensive, and you can also freeze it as well.
No.
So I did buy a few items for today's DIY. I grabbed a couple of these from the Dollar Tree. They are wood planks and they come with 6 pieces each. So I grabbed 3 of them. I didn't know how many I was going to need. The next thing I purchased from the craft section was this wood work glue. So we'll see if this works. Once again for the dividers, because I was looking on Bed Bath & Beyond and they were like 15 to 20 bucks for like 1 divider. I don't know if it was maybe not a good time to buy them. I don't know, but I figured let me go to the glue sticks. Yes. So we are going to make the dividers. I also grabbed some of these vinyl top liners that I love to put on all like underneath everything in my drawers, which just keeps it like clean and condensed and organized. So, all right guys, so here's the real problem. This is embarrassing. This is so embarrassing. So the first thing I'm going to do for the DIY dividers is go ahead and place how I want everything to look. I always need a visual of where I want to place the dividers before I go ahead and start measuring the drawers. Here are those wood plank dividers that I grabbed from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to use a little bit of wood glue and start to glue them on top of each other. I did let the wood dry for a little bit, guys, and once that's done, I go ahead and take my hot glue gun and I start to measure out the vinyl covering. I want to cover the wood planks with this material. Guys, I am so happy with how these DIY drawer dividers turned out. Thank you, Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it motivated you, maybe inspired you. Get to the Dollar Tree, give this video a thumbs up, and go ahead and subscribe, guys. Stay well, take care, and stay organized.